So in this video, we're doing shrimp and grits and a chicken and waffles breakfast. You'll need green peppers of different colors, cheese of two types, mozzarella and cheddar, as well as some green chives. You'll need to cut up the bacon and start frying it in the frying pan. And you'll need some chicken broth for the grits. Here's the grits. And I added and you'll also need some crispy chicken strips and some waffles for the chicken and waffles. Here's the waffles on the tray getting ready to go into the oven. And the chicken strips are almost done, so I'll take those out and chop them up. Here's the chicken broth cooking for the grits. And the bacon's done. You want to drain it. It's already crisped up. And you'll set that to the side. And here is the mixture with the green peppers. Add the shrimps and stir. The grits are all done, nice and cheesy. Oh, those look so good. I added some Old Bay seasoning to the shrimp mixture, as well as some more chicken broth. Some more chicken broth to form the roux. And just stir that until it thickens a little. And here's everyone.
So this is our 2019 breakfast. I'm here with my brother-in-law, John. Say hello, John.
Hello there.
And my sister, Deborah.
Hi.
And that's my husband, William, down there. So on the menu, we're having shrimp and grits, as well as chicken and waffles, orange juice, and grape juice. We also have sugar-free syrup as well as regular syrup. And I will leave the recipe in the comment box. So again, I want to wish all my subscribers a very happy new year. And I can't wait to do a lot more of cooking videos, fashion, and a lot more DIYs. Thank you, and have a blessed evening. Have a blessed, it's not evening yet. There we go. Have a blessed day. Bye.